devil could bless you too. So when people get blessed and they like, man, I want to thank God, man, stop throwing that on God, man. God ain't blessing you for that ignorance, for that foolishness that you perpetuate. That's the devil blessing you. The devil blessing people got people confused. Like, man, I'm out here winning, but your soul is dying.
What this guy is saying is actually true. Many people out there are selling their soul, selling their life to receive fame and money, and then turn around and say God is the one that gave them the money. God is the one that gave them their fame. But let me tell you something. God cannot be behind something that is unholy. God cannot be behind that. It's true, when you sell your soul to the devil, you can receive fame, you can receive money, you can receive all the things in this world, but will lose your soul.